Welcome back to the Outdoor Engineers YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing off this 3D printed AC vent adapter that lets you, dry your shoes or your gloves that I found online. So basically here's kind of the adapter. This will fit into your AC unit. And then, but for whatever reason, the designer of this model, they made these holes kind of not standard. So it's nice. They came up, or they created a parametric model, so you can get the model of get the diameter of the hole, and then make an insert for whatever pipe you need. So I had this kind of half-inch inner diameter pipe. Fits good on here, and fits good in there. So it's nice that they shared the parametric model for this. It kind of sucks that you got to model it on your own, but it's not too bad. It's pretty quick to model. It's not too challenging. And then this is just kind of like a stopper, I guess, if you want to have more airflow going out of, or I guess to your shoes. But I don't know, I tend to leave that off most of the time, and then just if I'm warming up, or if I have to warm up my shoes quickly, I would put that on. But I don't really want to stop the airflow, so I kind of prefer to leave that off. So here I had the thermometer directly in the tube coming out of the AC vent adapter, and the temperature maxed out at 29.7 degrees Celsius. So here's a little time lapse. I put the tubes into one of my pairs of boots. So they started out at about 22.5 degrees Celsius, and after approximately 15 minutes, the temperature in the shoes reached 28 degrees Celsius. It took a little while to print. I think it was, I want to say, almost like 8 or 9 hours. You can see here from the printing, I'm not sure if this is from the printing or just from use, but there's a little bit of, I guess, like delayering. I think it might have been because this was printed at a 45-degree angle on the build plate, so something like that. So it could just be that it was sagging when it was printing on the supports, or I'm not sure, maybe the heat is affecting it, but I mean here the heat's not really affecting anything else. So I'm guessing this just may be an artifact from maybe just poor supports on my end. But other than that, everything's holding up pretty good. These adapters, they're holding up pretty good. They fit in pretty good. And this thing too, it's pretty nice. The only thing really, it gets a little bit dusty, but I mean, that's just how it is. You got a flat surface sitting out. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.